Hello everybody, Pretzel Bear here, and it's time for another cooking at home video.
We love these videos.
If you hadn't figured it out yet from the Princess Hat, we're cooking German food.
Yes.
Ish.
We've had German food at Epcot and traveling around.
In Tampa.
This time we're going to make our own bratwurst. We got some Tofurky Brats. Yes. And we made our own pretzel, which you'll see the recipe for this at the end of the video. And some roasted garlic kraut.
And some beer and brat mustard. Vegan, of course.
So I guess we're going to cook up these Tofurky Brats and review it all together.
Tell you what we think.
Be sure to Prost!
You heard the girl. Have our finished product. Brats, kraut, mustard, and a pretzel bun.
We also do not have any German beer, unfortunately. But we do have Mooby's beer, which does have, as it says on here, German noble hops that give it a totally chill bitterness.
In case you guys are new here, the Princess is all about pairing.
I do love to pair.
Here we go.
Prost?
Prost. All right, now for the main course.
The main reason why we're here is this Tofurky Brat.
Cooked in beer.
Cheers.
Huh? I definitely picked up some flavor from the beer, that's for sure.
Yeah.
In a good way.
It doesn't taste, I mean, it does taste fake.
Okay, so it
But
tastes
not
plants.
horrible.
Better than the normal Tofurky sausages, that's for sure.
Yeah. I don't know if they're necessarily better than Beyond, though. I feel
Only
like
if it's
Beyond's
got
a
that.
little bit better.
Possibly.
Maybe if we try it all together, we'll like it more.
Yes. So, gonna get a bit of this pretzel.
I'm just tearing a piece of the pretzel.
I guess I could have performed like this savage next to me. A bit of mustard. Beer and Brats mustard. Here goes the Princess, always waiting on me.
'Tis my lot in life. I spill kraut on my pretzel.
Dink. Your mouth is really only so big. Mm-hmm. You don't ever realize that. Mm-mm. Princess loves her food. Mm-hmm. So altogether, I think that it's got a nice flavor to it. It definitely gives you that brat and kraut feel. What you're missing, like I feel like most plant-based sausages, is the grease. Now, depending on who you are, that's either a good thing or a bad thing. Some people would argue that it adds to the flavor. Some people, like myself, it makes it kind of ill. So it's definitely there. I think all in all, if you had the whole fixins, that's a solid 4 out of 5 claws for me.
If we cooked it in oil instead of beer, do you think it would give you a little bit more of that greasy feeling that you might want?
I don't think so.
I'm sure you basted it or something. There's got to be some way for you to get that.
A lot of that, like, that greasiness comes from, like, the meat fat, like, cooking off, and then
True.
You're not going to be able to replace that with normal oil. But I think it's a good try, and I would definitely have these on the regular for, like, our home Oktoberfest.
Well, the fact that you only need 6 ingredients to make pretzel.
A lot easier to make than I thought.
Very easy. And with the brat, I love the kraut. I think the mustard is a little spicy, which I really like. It kind of like brings everything together. So I'd probably also give this a 4 out of 5 Tofurkys.
I think it's quite solid. Tofurky, that's a better stamp of approval. But for now, we want to know when was the last time you guys made plant-based brats at home or had brats, period. Do you make your brats? Or do you go and buy them from like a cart or a store? Let us know in the comments. If there's anything else, Tofurky or any other plant-based brands you'd like us to try, make at home, involve in our recipes, that's going to be the place to find us. Hit the like if you want to see other videos like this. Hit the notification bell to be notified of those. And
we have new videos 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.